Energy considerations. We have seen earlier that qualitatively Lenz's law is consistent with law of conservation of energy. So according to Lenz's law, the EMF induced opposes the cause which is producing it. Now this fact can be quantitatively established for the case of motional EMF induced in a metallic rod moving in magnetic field. So if I consider the case of a conductor moving in magnetic field, we know that induced current I is given by induced EMF is BLV divided by resistance of the rod R. Now the rod is moving towards right in the magnetic field, so it experiences a magnetic force. So force on the conductor, magnetic force on the conductor will be I ILB sin theta. So here theta is 90 degree, so it will be ILB. So that should be equal to, substitute for I, BLV by R into LB. So that should be B square L square V divided by R. This is force acting on the conductor. So by using left hand rule, we can find the direction of force. So current in the conductor from Fleming's right hand rule, it flows in upward direction. So it experiences force towards left. So this force will be towards left. So when you move it towards right, so mechanical force will be towards left. So force is opposite to the external force that we are applying. So the mechanical power spent I'll call it as PM, that will be equal to F into V, that is B square L square V square divided by R. Call it as equation 1. Now electrical power dissipated in the circuit, I'll call it as PE, electrical power, that should be I square into R. So here I is small letter I, so it should be B square L square V square divided by R square into R, that is equal to B square L square V square divided by R. Call it as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can conclude, mechanical power consumed will be equal to electrical power dissipated. So whatever mechanical work you are doing in order to move the conductor in magnetic field, so same work will be getting converted into electrical energy. This is what energy consideration says.